What's poppin'? This is Easy Breezy, and today we have a brand new hair sponsor.
Friends.
I don't know those.
Uh-huh.
There are shows.
Yup.
There are shows.
Yup.
I are shows. Are shows? You.
Funny.
You fun.
Thank you so much, Ondibu Hair, for sponsoring this video with this natural wavy full lace wig. Alright you guys, so first and foremost, we're going to use our green alcohol to cleanse the application area of any makeup and oils. Then we're going to add our spritz and apply the wig.
I don't look down on these bitches, okay? Feel like I'm on stilts in these hoes. Like a fucking baby daddy right now. Got cake by pound. Eat it up, don't drown. Period.
Of course, I'm using my liquid lace glue to apply this wig today. I'm applying it at least half an inch away from my model's hairline. And if you guys are interested in purchasing your own liquid lace glue, head to galaxygirlhair.com. Alright, so as for the style today, I think we're going to do a nice curly natural look, but we're going to add a little twang thing with a little braids and some accessories. Now, as a hairstylist, a lot of things are satisfying to me, but one of the most is wetting this hair. Like putting the foam in, wetting it with water, and then combing it through the hairline. Honey, I mean, that scalp is scalpy. Alright, so now that we're halfway through, I'm going to show you guys what the inside of a full lace wig looks like and how you can part it. Girl, is my eyes deceiving me? Is this real? This right here gotta be one of my favorite hairstyles too. Fuck it up. Definitely one of my favorite hairstyles to date, even though it's simple. Like, it's just so cute.
Listen, let me just look really close, Pooh. You don't really have to, okay? Because you already know what's going on. You know the vibes. You know what Breezy's talking about. You know what she's coming hard with. You know what Ondibu is coming with. And that's that, okay? So, next time you in the city, okay? Link me, link my girl. Come holla at Ondibu, www.ondibuhair.com. It's going stupid. She ain't have to OD like this. And baby, this is 20-inch, Pooh. It's almost to my booty at a 20-inch, okay? Cambodian, natural wavy, full lace. It's lit.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in Ondibu products, make sure you check the description below. I got all the information for you guys.